Good evening, everyone. In the last session, we are trying to understand how to read the data from keyboard. How to read the data from keyboard? What are the options available to read the data from the keyboard? Buffer reader is available, scanner is available, and command line arguments are available. Okay, what is the purpose of buffer reader? Which is used to read the data from keyboard, right? Input stream reader is equal to new input stream reader of system.in, right? Buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader string str is equal to br dot readline integer dot parcent. What is the purpose of integer dot parcent? It is used to convert the string to integer. It is used to convert the string to integer. Now we are able to write the program to read the data from keyboard and we are able to run our program. Right. With this we understood what is simple if. What is the purpose of simple if? What is the purpose of simple if? Simple if is used to check only one condition. When to go for if and else? If a condition is satisfied, then some code will execute. When condition not satisfied, then else will execute. When we should go for if else ladder, if we have more than one condition, then we will go for if else ladder. So as of now, we understood these things. Next one, we are going to understand switch case. There is another conditional statement available, switch case is available. Using switch case also, we can take the decision. Switch is also comes under decision making. Using switch case, we can make decision. We can make decision. Sir, already if else is available for decision making, then why we need to go for switch case? Suppose if you have 2 to 3 conditions or 4 to 5 conditions, then you can go for if else if, that ladder you can use. If you have 20 conditions to check, if you have more conditions to check, then switch case is recommended. If we want to, when we have up to 5 conditions to test, when we have up to 5 conditions to test, then if else is recommended. If else is recommended. When we have 10 or 20 conditions to test, then switch is recommended. Are you guys getting my point? When we have less number of conditions, then we can go for if else. When we have 10 or 20 conditions to test, then switch is recommended. Now, what is the syntax to go for switch case? What is the syntax to go for switch case? Now, we are going to write switch here, then we are going to write case. We are going to write a case. Now here, case one, for that case one, statement one. Which statement you want to execute for the case one? Then case two, for that case two, what is the statement you want to execute? Then we will go for case three, then we will specify statement three. Okay, if you don't have any case, to test, then we will go for default. Under a default, we will execute statement. That is a statement which is default statement. We will execute a statement which is default. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and statement default. So this is switch case. So if else is available and switch is also available, what is the difference between if else and switch? What is the purpose of if else and switch? Both are used for same purpose. If else is used to check the condition. Switch is also used to check the condition. But what is the difference between if else and switch? What is the difference between if else and switch? By using if else, we can check less number of conditions. When you have more number of conditions to check, then we will go for switch case. Now here, after statement 1 is executed, now I want to break that case. Now break it. After statement 3 is executed, then I want to break this. So this is syntax for switch. When you pass a case as 1, if a case is 1, then statement 1 will be executed, then it will break the execution. If a case is 2, then statement 2 will execute, then it will break the execution. Break is a keyword which is used to terminate the execution. It is used to come out from the execution. All right. Can we write a program based on the switch case now? Right. Write a Java program. Now the requirement is write a Java program to read a number from the keyboard. Write a Java program to read a number from the keyboard. Based on the number, display week of the day. If it is 1, display as Monday. If it is 2, display as Tuesday. Like that. Read the number from a keyboard and display week of the day. Write a Java program requirement. The requirement is write a Java program to read a number from keyboard. Write a Java program to read a number from keyboard. Based on the number, print week of the day. If it is 1, it should print as Monday. If it is 2, it should print as Tuesday. If it is 3, it should print as Wednesday. If it is 4, it should print as Thursday. If it is 5, print as Friday. 6, Saturday. 7, Sunday. If it is anything, if it is greater than 7, then print no day found, not matching. You need to print no day found. This is the program. Can you try that? Yes. Write a Java program to read a number from the keyboard. Based on the number, print week of the day. Write a Java program to read a number from the keyboard. Based on the given number, print week of the day using switch case. Got it? Yep. Do that. Do it, guys. Online people also do that. Write a Java program using switch case. Write a Java program using switch case. Write a Java program using switch case. Write a Java program based on switch case. Yep. Screen sharing, I'm doing now. Yep. Can you guys see the screen? Write a Java program to read a number from keyboard based on the given number. Based on the given number, print the week of the day using switch case. Print week of the day using switch case. Write a Java program. Write a Java program to read a number from the keyboard based on the given number. Print week of the day using switch case. Print week of the day using switch case. Are you guys able to understand the requirement? This is the syntax for the switch case. Case is a number. If case is 1, it should print the first statement. Don't make noise. Keep silent. Keep silent. If case is 1, it should execute first statement. Then it should break the execution. If case is 2, then it should execute second statement. Then it should break it. If case is 3, it should execute statement 3. Then it should break it. If the given number not matching any case, then it should execute default statement. Write a Java program to read a number from keyboard based on the given number. Print week of the day using switch case. Using switch case. Done. Wait. Able to write it, all of you? All of you able to write it? Done? Very good. Let us see here, guys. I'm writing this program. I'm writing the program for the switch case. Okay. First up, in order to write a program, we will start with a class. What is the purpose of this class? Weekday. It is has to print the weekday. Can I take it as weekday? Yes. Right. Inside this class, we need a main method. Public static void main string args. Public static void main string args. Now here I want to read the data from the keyboard. How to read the data from the keyboard? First we need to take input stream reader ISR is equal to new input stream reader. For that we will use system.in. This input stream reader available in which package? java.io. Then what we need to do? Import java.io.star. This input stream reader, this input stream reader, I will connect with buffered reader. How to connect input stream reader with buffered reader? Buffered reader br is equal to new buffered reader input stream reader. Now br dot read line. Br dot read line. What is the return type of that method? It is going to return string. Let me keep it as a str. Here I will write one statement system.out.println enter number. I am writing system.out.println enter number. String str is equal to br.readline. I want to check that. I want to consider that as a number, but I am getting as a string. How to convert the string to number? How to convert string to number? To convert the string to number, we will use integer dot parse int. Integer dot parse int of str. Okay, we are getting integer number. Integer number. Based on this number, I need to write the switch case. How to write the case now? Switch of number. Switch of number. What are these curly braces represents? What are these curly braces represents? Switch starting point, switch ending point. Switch of number. My number is a int value. From the keyboard, when I read the data will come as a string value. That string value I'm converting to int value. How to convert string value to int value? Integer dot parse int of string. That string value will be converted to int value. Switch of number. Switch of number. Now case 1. Case 1. Now I am writing system.out.println of Monday. System.out.println of Monday. Now, after that I am writing case 2. If a number is equal to 1, it should print as Monday. If a number is equals to 2, it should print as Tuesday. It should print as Tuesday. Similarly, if a number equal to 3, it should print as Wednesday. It should print as Wednesday. It is case 3. It is case 3. Here, if it is case 4, case is lowercase. It is case 4, system.out.println of Thursday. Thursday. Okay. Similarly, number 5 and number 6 and number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 5. If it is 5, it is Friday. Friday. If it is 6, it will be Saturday. If it is 7, then it is going to be Sunday. Got my point? Now, if the number is not 7, if it is not 7, then I'm going to use default system.out.println day not found. Day not found. That's it. Now, I want to save my program. Go to workspace. What is this? Weekday.java. Weekday.java. That is the class name I have given. Can you see this program? Class weekday, public static void main, string arguments available. String arguments available. Input stream reader, system.in. I'm reading the data from the keyboard. That stream reader I connected to buffered reader. Buffered reader is a predefined class available in java.io package. In the buffered reader, we have read method as well as read line method. What is the difference between read and read line? Read is used to read single character. Read line is used to read group of characters. When we read the group of characters, it will considered as a string value. But actually, I need a number to check the condition. I am converting the string value to integer value by using integer dot parseInt. I got the int value. Int value I am passing in the switch case. Int value I am passing in the switch case. Whatever the number you pass, that number will be compared with the case value here. If I pass a number as a 1, case 1 will match. If case 1 is matched, this line will execute. If case 2 is matched, this line is going to execute. If case 3 match, this line, case 4, case 5, case 6, case 7. If no case matched, then it will go to default case. Default case nothing but they not found. Save this program, open command prompt here, go to workspace, open our command prompt, then try to compile our program javac weekday, javac weekday.java, failed. What is the problem? It is throwing exception. Do you know how to handle that exception? How to handle that exception? By using throws exception. By using throws exception. Save it. Save the program. Then javac weekday.java. I'm able to compile the program, run this java space weekday. Java space weekday. Enter number. Let me give it as 2. What is the expected output for 2? The expected output is Tuesday. Case 2 means Tuesday should be printed. Enter. Here, number I have given as 2. Case matched as 2. Case matched as 2. This line is executed. After that, every line is executing. After my case is matching, I need to break the switch case execution. Are you guys getting my point? Here, I am giving the number as 2 from the keyboard. From the keyboard, we are reading the number. We are converting the number into integer. The integer is matching with the case value. When the integer matched with the case value 2, then Tuesday is executed. After Tuesday is executed, it is executing everything. It is executing everything. Here, when we are making a decision, when we are executing a decision-making statement, when we are executing decision-making statement, after one case is matched, we need to break the execution. What is the keyword available to break the execution? Break keyword is available now. After this case, I am writing break. That means after one case is executed, my program execution should break. It should come out from the switch case. It should come out from the switch case. Break. For every case, we need to write that break statement. For every case, we need to write a break statement. Okay. Break here and break here and break here and break here. Right. Now, if a first case is matched, then it should break there only. If a second case is matched, it should break there only. If third case is matched, it should break. For every case, there is a break. Okay. Now, compile the program javac space weekday.java. Then java space weekday. Java space weekday. Enter number. I'm giving 5. Now only Friday is printed. Why other statements are not printed? After this case is matching, I am breaking that. After this case is matching, I am breaking that. Now, let me run the program again. I'm giving as a 10. What happened? If a case is not matching, then it is printing default statement. If the given case is matched, then it is, if the given case is matching, that particular case statement will be printed. If the given case is not matched, then it will print the default. So what is the purpose of switch case? What is the purpose of switch case? It is used for decision making. If else is already available for decision making, then why to go for switch case? If else already available for decision making, then why switch case is available? If else is used to check less number of conditions. When we have 3 or 4 conditions to check, then we can go for if else if. When you have 10 conditions, when you have 20 conditions to check, then we need to go for switch case. Are you able to follow this? Right. Good. Now, switch case program. This is our switch case program. With this, we are done with our conditional statements. With this, we are done with conditional statements. What are the conditional statements available? Simple if available, if else available, and switch case is also available. All are used to check the conditions. Simple if else, if else ladder, then switch case. Then switch case. Okay. Now I will write some program. You need to tell me whether that program is correct or not. Okay, guys. Now here I'm taking integer a is equal to 10. Integer a is equal to 10. If a, then I am writing system dot out dot println of hi. Okay. Then I am writing else. I'm writing else system dot out dot println of hello. What is the output? If I run this program, what is the output? Hi or hello? What is the output of this program? What is the output? Hi or hello? Hello. Hello is the output. Huh? Online people, what is the output? Hi is the output. Huh? Some people are saying that hi. Some people are saying that hello. Can I execute this program? Can I try? Can I execute the program and can I try? Yes. Now I need to write a class. Now this is our test program. I just want to test it. Now here I am writing public static void main string arguments. Public static void main string arguments. I'm taking a variable integer a is equal to 10. If a, then I want to print hi. Otherwise, I want to print hello. Some of our friends are saying hi is output. Some of our friends are saying hello. Some people are saying error. Can we ask the compiler? Can we check it? So what is the output? Hi or hello? Let's try to save this program. I am using test.java. Test.java. Praveen, can you tell me what is the output? Error. Why? Int a is equal to 10. If I give 20, error only. Why? Why it will give error? Be silent, be silent. Huh? Why error? You are reading the program. Error. What is the why error? Let him tell. Why it will give error? Condition? No. Guys, here, am I checking any condition? I am passing just A. A is what data type? Integer. For if condition, can I pass into value? For if condition, always it should be true or false. I need to pass a Boolean expression. When I am writing a if condition, I need to pass a Boolean expression. But what I am passing for the if condition? A. A is what? A is a variable. Variable belongs to which data type? Into data type. So is it a valid program? It is invalid. I am passing into value for the if condition. That is incorrect. This is a interview question and it is a certification question. Do you know about certification of Java? No? No idea? No idea. Okay. Now Java is under license of which company? Oracle company. Now Oracle company will conduct a exam on the Java. If you pass in the exam, Oracle will give you one certificate for you. He is Java certified. You can mention that in the resume. He is a Java certified person. In the company, people will write that certification exam. Fake certificate nahi milte bhai. Usko nahi milte. That is a company provided certification. Na? So you need to book slot in the Oracle. In the Oracle website, you need to book that examination slot. So they will give you one center. You need to go to that center. You need to write the exam. If you pass in the exam, Oracle will give you certificate saying that Java certified developer. Java certified developer means you know all the syntaxes of the Java. For every version, certification will be available. Java 8 certification, Java 11 certification, Java 13, Java 17, Java 18. For every version, certification will be available. Okay, fine. Now, in the certification, these kind of questions they will ask. What is the output? What is the output? Now, try to compile this program Java C test.java. What happened? Error. Int cannot be converted to Boolean. For if condition, I am passing A. A is a int value. We cannot pass the int value for the A. This program is compile time error. This program is valid or this program is a compile time error? This program is a compile time error. What is the meaning of a compile time error? I am unable to compile this program. I am unable to compile this program. Are you guys clear with my point? Can you understand why it is compile time error? Why it is compile time error? If he is expecting a Boolean value, always whatever you are writing in the if condition, that should be a Boolean value. I am passing a int value. It is not accepting int value. That's why the program is failed. Now I am taking another program. I'm taking another program. This time I'm going to pass if true. I'm passing if true. Now, if I execute this program, what is the output? Hi or hello. What is the output? Compile time error or hi or hello? Infinite time. There is no loop, na? There is no loop concept for infinite. Error आता है ना? Error आता है. Let them think. Let them think. You are right. What is the output? Online people. क्या हो रहा है? No sir. Consider a Boolean value. Now, when I write a program like this, if I give A as true, that means condition satisfied, na? Condition satisfied. What Boolean is what if condition is expecting? True or false value. Suppose if I write it as A less than or equal to 5, what is the output? Guys, if I give A less than or equal to 5, what is the output? What this condition will give me? What is the result of this expression? Arey Baba, A less than or equal to 5. What is the A value? 10. 10 less than or equal to 5 or not? No. Then what is the result of this condition? False. What is the result of condition? False. So if it is a false, what will happen? Else block will execute. That means whenever this expression is executed, it will give false value. Okay. For example, if I write it is A greater than or equal to 5, what will happen? Forget about output. Chod dena. I am writing A greater than or equal to 5. Condition is true. That means this expression executed. When this expression is executed, what is the output? True. That means if it is true, this statement will execute. If this is false, this statement will execute. Now, instead of giving the condition, directly I am giving as true. Instead of giving the condition, directly I am giving as true. Then what will happen? Can we test it? Save this program. Save this Java C test.java. Java space test. Executed or not? Executed. Why are you getting confused? Understand? Here, if I am writing int A is equal to 10, if I write A greater than equal to 5, or if I write to true, both are same. Are you getting my point, sir? If I am writing A greater than or equal to 5, that will give true only. 10 greater than or equal to 5, that means first this expression will be executed. That expression will give the output as true. Instead of writing the expression, directly I am writing a true. That is a Boolean value. Then condition always condition satisfies. If always condition satisfies, what is the output? High is the output. Understand my point? Now, so if I write false here, hello, that means condition is satisfying or not satisfying? Condition not satisfied. Then it will give hello as the output. Java C test.java. Java space test. Hello is the output. What is the difference? What is the big deal? So just if he is expecting Boolean, either you can pass expression which will give the result as a Boolean, or you can directly pass the Boolean value. So that is a tricky question. Understand my point? Yes, right. Now, for example, if I am taking byte B is equal to 20. Byte B is equal to 20. I am giving if of B. What is the output? Hi or hello. What is the output? Error. Praveen, what is the output? Error. Why? Tell me. Why it is error? If always expects a Boolean value, but I am passing a byte value. ये बोला था output आता बोल के बोला ना previous program error आता बोल के बोला आप. Right. Instead of giving expression, I can give directly true value or false value. Now I am giving B less than or equal to 2. B less than or equal to 2. 20 less than or equal to 2. True or false? False. If it is false, what is the output? Hello is the output. Hello is the output. Okay, check it. Save this program. Save this program. Java C test.java. Then Java space test. We are getting hello. So what is the point that we need to note here? If condition always expects a Boolean value, you can write a expression which will give true or false value, or you can give directly true or false value. It should be always Boolean expression only. If you write anything other than Boolean, the compilation will fail. That is not the Java syntax. Compiler will throw error. Compiler will throw error. Perfect. I hope you got the concept now. Yes. So here, is this valid program or this is invalid program? If I write like this, is it valid or invalid? If I write like this, it is valid. If I write like this, it is valid. Are you guys getting my point? Okay. Now, this is valid. This is also valid. Na? This is also valid only. Syntaxes are very important, guys. This is valid. Writing curly brace is optional. Writing curly brace is optional. Why curly brace is optional? How many lines are executing? Only one line is executing. So this is also valid program. This is also valid program. Are you clear with this? Chalo. Next. Now let me go to our switch case program, weekday Java. Yes, let me take this logic. Okay, I'm taking this logic. So now what switch case is expecting? If I pass true here, now okay, let me do one thing. Let me delete all these cases. ये भी निकाल देना. Here I'm writing hi. Here I'm writing hello. Here I'm writing bye. Now I am passing switch off true. Case 1, case 2, default. If I run this program, what is the output? True. I'm passing switch case value as true. Here I'm writing hi, case 1, case 2 is hello, default is bye. Online people, can you tell the output? Can you tell the output now? Error. Why error? Why error? It takes only integer type. डिफॉल्ट आउटपुट आता है. Hi is the output. Someone is telling. Can we try? Can we compile? Okay, save this. ठीक है? चलो. Now Java C space test.java failed. Boolean cannot be converted to int. Now, switch is expecting what? Switch is expecting what? I mean, in this program, what it is expecting? In this program, switch is expecting integer. But what if will expect? Understand the difference? If condition always expects a Boolean value, either true or false. What my switch case is expecting now? In this scenario, switch is expecting int value because my case is int type. Understand my point? Here, if you write as 1, that means it is considering as the int value. So the case also should be int value. If I give as a 2, what is the output? Are you sure? Can we try? Can we try? Java C test.java. Java space test. Hello. That means what it is expecting as a case value? It is expecting 2, number, any number. Why it is expecting number? Why it is expecting number? Case value is a number. If I write the case value as A, if I write the case value as B, then double quotes means it is a string value. So what is the case type you are taking? That value you need to supply. Now if I take as A, what will be the out now? Here I am taking case as ABC, or I'm taking the case value as XYZ. Now here, if I pass ABC, what is the output now? Hi. Now, if I pass 1 into value, I'm passing 1. Earlier it is expecting into value, na? So can I pass 1 value directly? Praveen sometimes is saying yes, sometimes saying no. He's giving both answers. Yes, no. No. Why no? Actually, Praveen is from my village only. You stand up and tell me the reason. Huh. Huh. Here case is a string type. Case type is a string. What is the case value I am passing? Integer. Both are not matching. Understand my point? Both are not matching. Case type is a string. Case number I am passing as a integer. That's why it is invalid. Check it. Java C space test.java. What happened? String cannot be converted into integer. Now, can I say Java is a dynamic programming language now? So whatever the case you are writing, same type of value it will expect. It is not a int expect. It is not expecting only int. It is not expecting only Boolean. It is not expecting only string. Whatever the case type you write here, that case number it is expecting. Are you guys clear with my point? Now, so here I'm writing 1. So here also it is 1 and it is 2. Are you able to understand my point? Case type is what? Int value. So what it will expect? Int value only. Now, sir, can I write one case with 2.2 double? I am trying with all permutations and combinations. I'm taking a case as, sir, okay, chalo then 1.1, 2.1. Here I am passing 2.1. What is the output? What is the output? Hello is the output. Huh? Are you sure? Are you sure? Java C test.java. If you want to use, okay. What is the output now? What is the output now? Hi or hello? Sir, class चल रहा है, मजाक चल रहा है. What is the output? Hello, are you sure? Yes, chalo. Java C tested at Java. Switch will not accept decimal value. That is the conclusion. Switch will not accept decimal value. Are you guys getting my point? Yes. Try करेंगे अभी try करेंगे यार सुनो रुको. True and I am giving false. Now I am passing true. What is the output now? Hi or hello? Hi, yeah. Okay. Java C tested at Java. Boolean is also not accepted. Yes. Yes. Sorry? It is accepting numeric data types and string data type. Earlier, string also not supported. In the Java 1.7 version, they added the support for string acceptance in the switch case. Are you guys clear with my point? So, what are the possible values in the switch case? Numerical values and string value. Numerics and strings only accepted in the switch case. When you go for if condition will accept only Boolean value, true or false only. Any expression that you write, that expression should result either true or false. When you go for switch case, any numeric numbers or strings only, it is accepting. Can we try with the character? Can we try with the character? How to represent the character in Java? Single quote. A I am giving and B I am giving, and here I am passing what? A. What is the expected output? Hi is the expected output. Java C tested at Java. All right. Java space test. Hi we are getting. Character is accepted in the switch case. Character is accepted. Int value is accepted. And string value is also accepted. But when it comes to if condition, only Boolean value is accepted. These are multiple choice questions they will give in the exam for the freshers. When you attend the interview as a fresher, they will give you a question paper like this. They will give the question. They will give answers also. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay. These are tricky questions. Right. So we need to make some notes here, guys. Can you tell me what we learned from these points? What is the conclusion? What is the first point? If accepts only Boolean. If I use anything other than Boolean, it is giving compile time error. That means the program is failed to compile. If it accepts only Boolean value or Boolean expression, any expression which will give true or false, only that is accepted by if. Now, when it comes to switch, what it is accepting? Switch accepts numbers. It can be any integral type. Numbers, char, and strings. Accepts numbers, char, strings. Switch will not accept Boolean. Switch will not accept Boolean and decimal values. It will not accept Boolean and decimal values. And here, whatever the case type is there, the same case number you need to pass for the switch. Now, if I am writing case as A and I am writing another one as 2, is it valid? Why it is not valid? Character is accepted, number is also accepted, na? Then I am taking character and number only. Case type should be same. Are you guys getting my point? If you write the first case type as character, all the remaining cases also should be character type only. If I am writing case as 1, all the cases should be same type only. Now, if I am writing case as 1, I am writing another case as A. Try this. Try this. What will happen? Java C space test.java compiled. Java space test. Hello. Why it is working? One is a number, another one is character. How it is working? Switch is accepting character also internally number type only. Character will be converted into that ASCII value. Character is also comes under integral only. Now, if I am taking instead of A, if I take it as a AB, now what is the type now? First case type is what? Number. Second case type is what? String. Okay. Now let me try to execute it. Java C test.java. Now it is failed. String cannot be converted to char. Okay. What is the first case type here? What is the first case type? Number. What is the second case type here? String. All case types should be same. All the case types should be same. Sir, then when I give single character A, why it is accepting? First case type is a number, second case type is a character. Why it is accepting now? That character is converted into number. Character is also considered as a number type. Huh? Isa. That is what you want to try. Okay. Allo nahi karega. Because one case type is a number, another case type is a string. So what is the conclusion when we are writing the cases in the switch? All the case types should be same type. All the case types should be same type. Right. Switch cases should be belongs to same type. Switch case types should be same type. Switch case type should be same. Unique type should be available. If I use character, all the cases should be character. If I use the string, all the cases should be string. If I use integer, all the cases should be integer. So there are so many rules available for the switch case. There are so many rules available for the switch case. These are my rules, or these are Java defined rules. These are the Java defined rules. We have to follow those rules given by Java language. Are you guys clear with my point? Yes. Now, are you confident on conditional statements? If condition, if always accepts only Boolean value or Boolean expression. If accepts only Boolean value or Boolean expression. Switch accepts numbers, char and strings. Strings added in Java 1.7 version. Earlier, string also not supported in the switch case. All right. Switch will not accept Boolean and decimal values. Switch case types should be same. Switch cases should belongs to same type. Switch cases should belongs to same type. Very good. Now, whatever the case type is there, same type value we need to pass as the input for the switch case. Suppose if I'm taking case type as integer, what value I need to pass? I need to pass only integer. I need to pass only integer. Are you guys getting my point? Switch case type and case input should be same. Switch case data type, switch case data type, and switch case input value should belongs to same data type. If my case is a int, the input also should be int. If my case is a string, the data that input also should be string. If one case is a string, all the cases should be string only. So these are some rules that we need to follow when we are going for switch case. These are the rules we need to follow when we are going for switch case. Comfortable? Yes. Any questions, anybody? Case 1, case A. ASCII value of A it is going to consider. Yes, Ashish, you are right. Whenever you write case 1 and case A, this A will be converted to ASCII value. Lowercase a will be converted to ASCII value. That is also a number. That is the reason it is accepting one number, another character also. You are right, Ashish. It is accepting. Okay, good. Can you read the points, guys? Very, very important for beginners. If we accepts only Boolean value or Boolean expression, switch accepts numbers, char and string. Switch will not accept Boolean and decimal value. Switch cases should belongs to same type. Switch case data type and switch case input value should belongs to same data type. For example, in this switch case, if I don't write the default, is it mandatory to write the default? Is it mandatory or not? Can we try? Yes. Java C test.java. Java C test.java. Java space test. Hi is coming. Why hi is coming? Case the input for the switch case is 1. Case 1 is matching. So hi is printed. Then it is a break. If I don't write the break, then what will be the output? Both will be executed. A hi and hello will come as a output. Now, writing the default is mandatory or writing the default case is optional. Writing the default case is mandatory or writing the default case is optional. Default case is optional. Default case is optional in switch. Default case is optional in switch. Now writing the break is mandatory or writing the break is also optional. Mandatory. If I don't write the break, is it failing my program? My program is failing. Is my program is failing? Both will. That means I can compile and I can run it, right? That means break is mandatory or break is optional. Break is mandatory or optional? Optional. Now my requirement is if case is 1, if number is 1, I want to execute both cases. If a number is 1, I want to execute both cases. Then why it is mandatory? Optional. Break is also optional. Now default case is optional in the switch. Break keyword is also optional. Break keyword is also optional. When to go for break? When to go for break? After the case is executed, if you want to come out from the switch case, then only you need to go for the break. Otherwise, the break is not required. After the case is executed, if you don't want to execute the remaining lines of code, you come out from the switch case, then you go for break keyword. Suppose my requirement is, if a first case is satisfied, then I want to execute second and third case also. If my first case is executed, I want to execute second and third cases also. Then I will not write the break. I will not write the break. If a first case is executed, I want to execute second case and third case also. Then I don't want to write the break. Then it is optional. So if you want, you can use the break. If you don't want, you no need to use the break. Default is optional. Break is also optional. Right. Read the points. Break keyword is optional in switch case. Break keyword is also optional in switch case. Default case is also optional in switch case. Okay. Switch case data type and switch case input value should belongs to same data type. Switch cases should belongs to same type. Switch will not accept Boolean and decimal value. Switch accepts only numbers, chars and strings. Strings support is not available from the initial version of Java. Later they added the support for the switch case. If we accepts only Boolean value or Boolean expression. Are you clear with my point? Yes, perfect. Right, guys, with this, I'm stopping for today. And we have our next class on Monday. Tomorrow, no class for us. Tomorrow, I have other class. So we will meet again on Monday. So for this, I will send some assignments in the group. For tomorrow, you can practice some assignments. Monday, we will start with our looping statements. Monday, we'll start with the looping statements. Monday class is at regular time, 6 p.m. only. Huh. Huh. Tomorrow, you can come and practice. Yes, you can come and practice. Tomorrow you can come and practice. I will give some assignments. Right. The prime number program, we need to know the loops concept. Yeah. Today module 2 class is also there. Yes. Today module 2 class is also there.